Good day, everyone. So, I'm your coach, Chinita Forex. Before we proceed, I would like to introduce myself. I am an accountant with an experience of almost 10 years inside and outside the Philippines. So, I was also a former OFW. So, nag-work ako sa Dubai for almost 4 years as an HR manager cum accountant. Also, I'm a certified bookkeeper and I'm into business for 5 years. So my recent job was head of finance in one of the largest automotive companies in the Philippines. Before we proceed, please follow me on my Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube account, Chinita Forex. So anyone here who's familiar with the rat race, ang rat race is about na kailangan mong mag-work just to earn money. Then, once you receive your salary every 15th and 30th of the month, you have to pay all your debts, yung mga kautangan natin. So, sino may utang dito? Then, at the end of the day, you will be ended up broke. Then, again, you have to work. In here, I'm telling you, I am not against with the employed people because I've been there. Until such time I had the realization na nagtatrabaho ako early in the morning para lang sa pera. Nasasahurin ko every 15th and 30th. Nahihintayin ko siya ma-release sa akin. Then, minsan nga sino nakaka-experience dito? Minsan wala pa yung sahod, nakalista na. Who's guilty? Okay? So, at the end of the day, I will be ended up broke. Yan yung mga employed na kagaya ko before. And after that, wala ka ng pera. So, you have to work again. So, the cycle continues. Here's the reasons why I decided to become a forex trader. Of course, to have a financial and a time freedom. In here, nung nagkaroon ako ng realization na nagtatrabaho ko early in the morning, papasok ako going to work, magta-travel ako, may araw pa. Then, uuwi ako, madilim na. Yung social life ko is very down. Hindi na siya balanse. Lalo na sa kagaya ko na nasa finance or accounting ang career. Until such time, naganap ako nung nakita ko ang forex trading, nakita ko ang opportunity. I decided to start my side hustle in trading. Afterwards, na nakita ko yung potential nito, I am earning more than the salary that I am receiving in a corporate company. So, that's the time I resigned from my work. Nagkaroon na ako ng time freedom. I have time to travel, to be with my family, and also with the financial aspect. So, mas naging okay yung financial status ko. Next is convenient technology for traders like me and kagaya ng mga beginners. And next is the growth. So kagaya ko, I believe that life is continuous learning process. So in here, you will be joining in a community where you will be working with a lot of intelligent and interesting people na makakatulong sa'yo para mag-grow, especially dito sa trading journey mo. Okay, so once you got your financial and time freedom, it will be the time na mabibuild up mo na yung dream mo sa buhay. Okay, so syempre, meron ka ng financial capabilities, may oras ka na, yun na yung magiging stepping stone mo para matupad yung mga pangarap mo. So lastly, to make an impact. When you say to make an impact, yan yung kung ano yung nararanasan mo right now. If nasa trading industry ka na or in-start mo na yung trading journey mo and you are earning money, of course, parang mag-payback ka lang sa ibang tao. Kumbaga, i-share mo yung knowledge mo, i-share mo yung strategies mo, i-share mo yung journey mo sa iba para naman maranasan din nila kung ano yung nararanasan mo. Kailangan nating i-share yung mga knowledge and wisdom na natutunan natin in this journey. So before I ended this video, insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. So kung nasa rat race ka, so, ginagawa mo yung same process, same cycle. You will be working to earn money, to pay debts, ended up broke, and you have to work again for 9 to 12 hours just to get your salary every 15th and 30th. kumbaga yung cycle, kung gusto mo lumabas doon, you have to decide what you really want. Make a clear plan. Be a money smart and get out. Get out of the box. And create a life of choice you deserve. So, kailangan mo lang talagang mag-step forward. Kailangan mo maging strong enough para maging or para makamit mo yung freedom na kailangan natin. Okay? So, your future is created by what you do today and not tomorrow. Okay? So, I hope na maraming ang natutunan, na-motivate or na-inspire ka sa aking forex trading journey and also our platform kung ano maitutulong nito sa'yo. Okay? So, if you have any question, just DM me on my TikTok or Instagram account, and also I do have a Facebook. DM mo lang ako, willing akong i-assist ka, okay? So, thank you so much. God bless.